Hello everyone, today I will show you how to see your reports on TikTok. Before I start, I would appreciate if you leave a like and a subscription. I really appreciate it. Thank you. The first step is to go to our profile on TikTok. Then click on the three stripes on the top right. Click on System Notification. Click on the nut on the top right, and click on TikTok. And you must activate these two checkboxes. Okay, now go backwards. And if you have any severity report, you will be notified in this same tray. Now to see if a report has affected your account reputation before go to your profile. Then click on the three dashes at the top right. Click on TikTok Studio. And here in More Tools, you will see the account check option. Just click there. And in my case, my account is fine. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and a subscription. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.